I missed a day of school, my work, and all my classes for a shirt.
It is Haitian Flag Day, but some Haitian students at Immokalee High School are not celebrating.
6 kids were sent home from school for wearing shirts with the Haitian flag.
NBC2's Rachel Polanski is at Immokalee High School tonight after talking with some of the kids who were sent home. Rachel?
Well, Lisa, the district says this isn't about Haiti. This is about the student code of conduct that says students cannot wear or display any type of flag on campus except for the American flag, the POW flag, the state of Florida flag, or the school's flag.
As soon as we got off the bus, a teacher is like pointing at us like these two.
Sophomore Gisola Pierre says she was confused and upset when her teacher told her she couldn't wear her T-shirt.
And this is the day that we got our freedom. Why wouldn't I represent?
Students tell me they didn't know they couldn't wear these shirts.
If they did not want us to wear our shirts, they should have told us the day before, like way before.
But the school district says this policy has been in place for 15 years.
Everybody on campus, especially at that campus, is aware of what you can and can't do.
And Greg Turquetta says Haitian Flag Day celebrations have been disruptive in the past.
Yeah, last year at Immokalee High School, there was, during the lunch period, about 200 students on the same day. And the Haitian Day stood up, played music, walked around campus, made a lot of noise.
Turquetta says testing is also going on, and the principal acted to preserve the academic environment. Students disagree.
Because on Cinco de Mayo, they had all their tacos, and we didn't say nothing, but when it came to Haitian Flag Day, they wanted to, like, take away, like, our fun.
I missed a day of school, my work, and all my classes for a shirt.
Now, there is a sentence in the Code of Conduct that says exceptions can be made at the discretion of the principal. But the Immokalee principal says no students approached him today asking if they could wear their shirts bearing Haiti. Reporting live tonight in Immokalee, I'm Rachel Polanski, NBC.
So new tonight, students sent home, some even suspended, all for wearing shirts with the Haitian flag on it.
Parents and students outraged they couldn't celebrate Haitian Flag Day at Immokalee High School. But as Wink News reporter Jennifer Jones explains, the school district says this could have been avoided.
They sent home over 50 kids. They suspended some of our kids today not getting an education. Reason being is because we're trying to celebrate our day.
Today's Haitian Flag Day. Why they can't wear the shirt?
You should be free to represent where you come from.
Parents of students at Immokalee High School are upset. The principal sent a number of students home today for wearing Haitian flags to class.
That's the way it sees. But why I can wear my flag on?
Flags can't be worn in school during the day with the exception of certain flags, the American flag, POW, MIA flag, the state flag, or school flag.
The Collier County School District says the dress code is written in black and white, and it's there to avoid disruptions during school.
Last year it was an issue in that 200 students got up during lunchtime, were playing music, were being loud, and then running through the courtyard and the hallways.
So to avoid that, students who were violating district policy today were given the chance to change or otherwise face disciplinary action.
It upset me. Reason being is that we've been doing this for a very long time, and all of a sudden it's just stopped.
I still think that's wrong. You feel me? We are human.
In Immokalee, Jennifer Jones, Wink News, now.
For student privacy reasons, the district would not say how many students were disciplined, but they say the principal would have allowed the students to celebrate if they had come to him in advance.